Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be doing a versus video. It's going to be Rytr AI versus Creaite AI. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not stick around to the end, because we're going to also be having a bit of a dad's joke. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Okay, now here we are at the Rytr AI software. Now what we're going to be looking at here is I have decided to grab a little bit of an article from here, which is probably going to be more than 125 characters. So I'm just going to grab this first little bit of a sentence here, and we're going to copy that, and we're going to be placing that into here. Now what I'm going to be doing is putting this into a blog section. Now, to be perfectly honest, this is not really a fair comparison between Rytr AI and also Creaite AI, because Rytr AI gives you different things, like for example, it gives you copywriting as well as email writing, Facebook, Google, interview questions, job descriptions, landing pages, website copy, and they give you product descriptions, a whole bunch of different things. Whereas Creaite AI is primarily creating articles for you. And this is why I love Creaite so much, because I love the fact that it does create really decent articles. And also over here we're going to be adding just a little bit of a feeder information for it. So right now we're going to be putting it here, we're going to be putting this little bit here and adding that to that. So that is enough characters. Video marketing is used to promote and market your product or service. Now we can select the various things like video marketing, and we can have product and services. We can also say YouTube. And I think we should probably just leave it at that. Now also too, because I'm on the standard one here, it's just a very basic one, I'm only really allowed to create one article at a time. Whereas here, I have the option of writing 3 variants. So what I'm going to be doing is, of course I'm using this as a blog section writer, and I'm using the enthusiastic. I mean, I can make it anything I like. I can make it cautionary, precaution, anything I want when it comes to the emotion side of things. In fact, I might make it informative. And then we're going to hit write for me. And in a moment or two, it will have written a bit of a section for me. And it's only going to be one variant. So we'll be able to see what is written for us. There we are. And you can also write another variant underneath that. And another one will come up directly underneath this one. And that will give you 2 options. There we are. Now this is another one here. It obviously can continue with the thought. So you can take some of this and add this. You could probably delete the first line here and then just use the rest of the information. And then you can just continue that as a continued article. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over here to Creaite. Now in Creaite, I'm going to be starting a new article. So over here, I'm going to be hitting this one here, which is articles. You push the plus button, hit that, and this will open this area just here up. Now we're going to be using the standard version because that's what everybody uses, and I'm not really upgraded too much. I think I have the freestyle, but well, I'm going to keep it on standard though. We're going to be choosing the niche, which is going to be online. It's going to be online marketing, and down here we're going to be doing this video marketing. Is going to be the next niche. I'm going to scroll down. Now we want to be able to figure out the length of the article. I want to make it say 300, or make it 450. Yeah, I could make it even bigger. About what's that? 500 words? Yeah, we can make it 500 words. That's a decent sized little article. We're not going to be saving it in a folder, and we can now enter that information we previously put. So I'm just going to be keeping that as what it is. So we're just going to hit full stop there. And we're going to be now creating the article. It's going to be using up 1 credit, and we're just going to see how this goes. So we'll pause the video until it's finished. Okay, so what we're going to be doing here is we're going to just click on this and we'll have a look at what the article actually reads like. So what this section here in the highlighted area is, this is the actual part that we wrote. So you want to change that up so as it's different. Like for example, video marketing is using videos to promote and market your products and services. Now this is what I got from the internet here. So it's probably best to make sure you change that so as it's not this content here. Otherwise you could be flagged for having some not original content. Okay, video marketing is using videos to promote and market your product or services. It can be used to advertise your company, build trust, build rapport, brand yourself, and educate people about your business, or educate them about the particular topic. It can also be used to entertain, shock your audience. There are 3 parts to this type of marketing. And then it goes on and talks about the 3 different parts. And as you can read through, it has created the entire article for you, and it's about 500 words. It cost me 1 credit, so that's pretty good. Okay, so what you can do, video marketing, is this a useful tool for business? It even gives you a title. How good is that? And then you can do, what I would strongly suggest you do is you change that area just here up so as it is completely unique. But outside that, this entire article is completely created. And then all you need to do is copy it and paste it wherever you want, and you now have yourself a really fantastic article. Now we can have a look here. We can edit it if we wish to by hitting that, and this will allow us to go in here and change up what we want to change. Now when we go over here to Rytr, we can actually change it in the actual area itself. It doesn't matter. Now as I said, Rytr is more designed for copywriting. It can also do blog sections. Now what you might want to do is write something else here. If you want to have another section, you probably want to create another section for your video. Say for example, YouTube is a great place to market your products and services. Just don't make it like an advertisement. Okay, that'll do. And then we can now keep it like that. Hit write for me, and then it'll create another variant which can then be added to your blog post. YouTube is the 2nd largest search engine for videos. It has more than 1 billion users and uploading 3 hours of content per minute. YouTube is a great place to market your product and services, but you should not make it like advertisements. When making a video, try to promote the product in a high quality manner that would make people want to buy it, or at least want to know more about it. I think I'd rewrite that one. Not a big fan of that one. That one wasn't great, but that's okay. YouTube is the 2nd largest search engine according to Forbes. So it's a big mistake not to take advantage of this platform for marketing purposes. The best way to promote your business on YouTube is by making videos which are valuable with content that offers something valuable in return. That's more like what I would keep, because it's telling people what you need to be doing when creating your video. So yeah, that would be a really good one to create. And then you will want to have another section just here about marketing your videos. Make sure that when you are creating your videos on YouTube, that you make your videos entertaining and engaging. And then we can hit write for me, and then you've literally just pretty much written an entire article. So we'll wait for this to write it. When you're creating your own videos on YouTube, make sure that they are entertaining and engaging. These 2 qualities will help grab your audience attention and help keep them watching the rest of the video. And if you want people to take action after watching your video, you should include a call to action in the video. For example, if you made a video about why people should buy your product or services, then at the end of the video you should include a link to your store or website. That's nothing wrong with that. And that is how you would create an entire article using Rytr. Whereas if you got this one here, you got Create, you will be able to have this create it for you. But just be aware, you do have a limit of having how many articles you can create. So I'm going to just save any changes here. So this is what you got. Let me just get rid of that for 1 second. I'll close this off. Okay, so let's have a look at the pricing right now. Okay, over here, this one here is for Rytr. Now, strikingly powerful yet unbelievably affordable. Now this one here is the Savers plan. You can generate 50k characters. Then you got access to 30 plus use cases. Create your own custom use cases. US write in 30 languages. Access 20 tones. And access to premium community. It's $9 a month to get that one. And you get 2 months free. Now over here, the unlimited plan, which is generate unlimited characters, access 30 plus use cases, create your own custom use cases, write 30 languages, access 20 tones, access to premium community, dedicated account manager, and priority email chat support. And that one there is $29 a month, $290 a year, and you get 2 months free. So that one is for Rytr. Now that one's a really powerful one. As I said, the link for this one will be down in the description down below. And this is probably more to do with copywriting and so forth. So personally, I would use this more for copywriting, and I would use Create to write my articles. Now let's go and have a look at the prices for Create. Alright, so down here with Create, you get over here, you get 50 credits. This is the agency. It's not the pro agency account, just Create agency. And you can create 50 credits. You get 50 credits, 1 credit per article. 50 of the most profitable niches as per bonus below. Massive double the niche bonus, 25 additional niches unlocked. Agency license to use for clients. Access to our container features. Sub access features for containers for easy delivery. Normally $97 a month, but you get this for $97 one-time payment. Now over here, this has got only 15 credits, 1 credit per article. 15 of the most profitable niches, so not really a huge amount. You don't get the bonuses, and you don't bonus agency license to use for clients, access to our container features, sub access features for containers for easy access delivery, and normally $77, but you get this one for $87 one-time payment. I would suggest that that is not worth getting the light. You're way better off getting the agency, Create agency, and getting that one over here, the $97 a month. And of course there'll be upsells after that. But the thing is, this is I find that this one is really good for writing your actual article from beginning to end, whereas this one is specifically designed more for the copywriting industry and blog writing and so forth. So it's not really a fair comparison, but to be perfectly honest, I like them both. That's why I own them both. And I use Create to create my articles, and as I said, I use Rytr to do things like copywriting. Now the links for both of these will be in the description down below. Okay guys, joke time. A wife returned home from her mother's place, and she said to her husband, disaster was averted at mum's place. When mum was walking below the clock, it fell. If she'd been late by a few seconds, that clock would have fallen on her. The husband says, I know, right? That useless clock is always slow. Alright guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon. so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? And also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the video. Alright guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.